Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel, and today we are going to look at how you can merge two or more PDF into one document. Maybe you wish they are all together, so this is how you are going to do it. So you go online and search for merge PDF. It will even pop up. When it pop up like this, then you go through and choose the size that you wish will be suitable for you. So me, I will prefer this site PDF to go, so I'll click on it and straight forward you choose the document that you want to merge, the first one. So the first one that I would like to come first will be the calculator tutorial, so I'll choose that one. You choose another one. The other one is the formula. I want to add the formula into the calculator tutorial. So these two documents, it's uploading. So this one will be the first, and this one will be the second. You can get done. So you go to save as. When you click save as, then you press on save. So you are saving them together. So it's post. So you click download to download it. Okay, you can see that it's downloading at the bottom here to see whether it came as you wish. So let's see whether it came correctly. Okay, so this is the first document, the calculator tutorial selected topics and formula book. I'm just going down to see. Okay, so this was what I added. The actual books will end here, and the next one, it's an image with formulas. It continues from here, so it means that our operation is successful. So basically this is how you go about merging two different documents. Bye.